Hello traders, welcome to today's video in our channel. We will be looking into one of the hottest trends in transforming forex trading, which is algorithmic trading and artificial intelligence. To start with, if we look into the happenings around the world today, we've seen how banks all over the world are working on interest rates. That is the interest rate trend. There have been cuts, and this has affected a lot the USD, the euro behavior, and stuff like that. Also, we also see that the impact of inflation dynamics on forex trading. So this is making it tough for traders to actually follow their traditional way of trading, whereby you are able to predict what are the edges, what are the support and resistance, and the dynamics is higher now. So the game is getting tougher. With this, with the growth of volumes, natural occurrences, outbreak of wars, and as well the growing data and interest in forex trading, we want to begin to move a little towards automation, whereby we'll be looking at what is the tool out there that can support our decision making in day-to-day trading. So in this context, we'll be looking at algorithmic trading and artificial intelligence. You would wonder, you would have seen also screenshots from traders whereby they are getting over 400, 500 trades executed within little space of time. So sit back, get ready, and again, as usual, if you have not subscribed to this channel before, please hit the subscribe button and like our videos. Let's start with the basics of algorithmic trading. This is like a computer programming, where basic knowledge of Python programming would also be of great help. However, if you don't have the knowledge of programming, you could actually key in into bots that are already developed by programmers for such. But first thing first is, as you know, even in our traditional way of trading, we do a lot of back testing. So this will help you, instead of manually monitoring the chart, prices all day, looking at what is the news event, these bots or this algorithmic trading tool will automatically take charge, and then will be executing trades based on the presettings you have done. So examples are, some of them actually do trend following. They are trend following algorithm, which would execute trades when a currency crosses a moving average or whatever parameter has been set in there. And there are some that actually look at price differences. So they look at any little movement, and then they execute trades based on that. Before going deeper into that, what is actually the role of AI in forex trading today? Unlike, as I explained earlier, unlike our traditional way of checking, defining what rules to follow and this, the AI has the capability, they can handle large set of data volumes within seconds. They review this data, market news, historic price pattern, and even social media trends on what is happening. So, for example, if there is a shift in market sentiments, they can analyze central bank announcement or react to unexpected news events much faster than human being could do. I remember in our traditional trading, when a major news event that is going to happen, we would have set our our orders, pending orders, waiting for the execution based on our own analysis of which direction the news would go. Then we'll be waiting for the news itself. And as soon as the news comes up, we decide to close one and leave one and things like. Sometimes it goes against, most time I would say, they go against us because the market, the reaction of the market is faster than we can actually cope with. So for this reason, the what the algorithm does on its own, it's the moment the news drops, then the right direction of the market and the actual number of pips may be preset in the algorithm would execute the market as fast as possible. So the benefits of using these AI tools is that the speed and efficiency, they execute in milliseconds, not in seconds. Our hours, we could be split second, even in minutes, but these machines can execute in milliseconds and taking advantage of the smallest price changes. Okay. So it also remove emotions. I don't know if this is like every other person listening. When I do news trading, my adrenaline is always at its optimum. Is it going to go my way? Is it going to go the other way around? And things like this. So there are emotions, and sometimes out of fear, because you would mistakenly click a buy when you want to click a sell. So these emotions and biases are removed completely. And also for you to, if you, as I said earlier, that for you to do to engage using a bot, you need to actually do a lot of back testing. You know how tedious it is for us when we do manual back testing. These tools have that capability to backtest as much as possible data within no time. And then they are best in monitoring the market across, that is around the clock, irrespective of the time of the day or week. So, though nothing comes without a challenge, as you know, forex trading itself generally is a risky trade. It's a risky venture. Even though as much as you make money from it, you also lose money. The tools, so also is the tools that you would also want to apply, because from our elementary computer classes, we are told that a garbage in is a garbage out. If the training data provided, the richness of the data provided to, I'm talking now in terms of, I'm using technical terms for programmers, they will understand what I mean. For these predictive modeling tools, what they do is that they will take some set of data called the training data sets. They would, based on this training data set, they will begin to execute markets, and then with that, they will give you the best precision based on the accuracy of the data provided fed into them. So with this now, it now part of their memory that when similar event is going to happen in the future, which is now the actual data set, they would be executing based on the training they have had. So what we are saying here is that the quality of those data provided for them, if it is faulty, then you will know that it will impact the accuracy of their future prediction. Okay, so this is one of them. There is very complex. You have to developing and fine-tuning the model requires technical knowledge, coding skills in Python, and also like MetaTrader 5, for example. We have the risk of overfitting. Algorithm may perform well in backtesting, but in real-time trading, due to changes in market conditions, then you have that risk. You stand that risk. But in most time, it is still the risk to reward ratio for using this tool is higher, especially if you go for the best one, or if you have some elementary knowledge of coding yourself, that at least your current winning strategies, you could fine-tune the algorithm to perform using your current strategy. I think, yeah, again, it's market dependent. It is data driven, meaning unexpected and unprecedented events like what happened in 2020 during COVID, can throw off the model. This is one that is during the COVID era. Nobody foresee COVID coming in. So again, outbreaks of war unpredicted, that these are not predicted. You can't tell which country is going to go into war tomorrow or when this is going to happen. So this is one other thing people should also have at the back of their mind. Again, maybe you could host the people that goes hunting with dogs. If you get to terrains that are very dangerous they have wilder animals that could actually eat up your dogs, you will have to chain them or let them know that, hey, this is no go area. So the same with this tool. If you are using this and then all of the sudden there is an outbreak, you should know when to enter the market, when to review the algorithm set for the tool, or at least go for a break for a while until the market is back onto its normal term. We call these outliers. It could be an outlier event that has actually taken us back. So in summary here, while the AI models for trading offers immense potential, it is essential you manage your risk by continually monitoring performance and adapting your tool as needed. Moving forward, how do we get started with this type of trading? So if you are already in the world of algorithmic trading, that is not the new biz now, or you are just a beginner and you want to actually key into this, these are the few advice I would give. First of all, choose a reliable platform. I use MT5. I'm using MT5. MT4 and MT5 are the popular ones that run trading bots. Okay, if maybe in our next video we'll guide you on how to what to look out for them, but you need to back test them. Okay, so you have to also don't jump into it, learn some basic of coding, especially Python. Okay, they are the ones used to create this trading algorithm. Thanks to, there are two main libraries there they use, the pandas and the numpy. This is essential. It's easy. Just look up introduction to Python coding, or you be specific using pandas and numpy. Just go through this within 1 day, 2 days or thereabout. You have the basic insights, and then try hands on it. There are free tools online there that you can use to do this. You have Google Colabs. Okay, then use pre-built solutions. This is especially if you are not the coding type. Okay, because some brokers offer some ready-made trading bots. Just be sure that you backtest them thoroughly. Then leverage on AI tools. Okay, TradingView, MetaTrader, they offer plugin for AI powered analytics to improve decision makings. Okay, so start small. This we always tell, especially you can even do this with your demo accounts, right? Run this, whatever tool you have choose, run it through your demo account for a while. Then also when you are start with little capital. Lower your what you stake. Okay, don't go above maybe 1 or 2% of your capital, and then run this for a while and see how it goes before you jump into using the tool completely. And concluding, and my final thoughts on this is that the algorithmic trading is actually a game changer in the forex world today. Okay, it's going to, as I said earlier, it's going to eliminate your emotional bias and execute trades for you at lightning speeds. they can give you serious edge in the market, because not everybody, especially because I mentioned coding, some people might have even dropped off along the line. Not everybody are into coding, and then they look at, oh, the tough this, but it's not so. It's not, if it's easy for everyone, everyone will be doing it. So because it's not easy and you actually want to make money, then give it that little more effort to see that you actually at edge over others. Okay, so with great power comes great responsibility. Monitor your bots, stay updated on market changes, refine your strategies as you go. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on forex trading. Let me know in the comments, what aspect of algorithmic trading are you most excited about? Thank you for watching. And if you're interested in learning more about forex strategies or setting up your first trading bot, check out our next videos in this series. We're going to create a series of quick insights, short clips on how to use this tool and guide you, hold your hands all through. Thanks for watching. Bye.